All right, so I got my intro now. As you can see that I've already taken off some of the background. Uh, I wish I recorded a little bit of it, but I didn't. I just wanted to come out and take a couple pieces off of it so I could sort of use it for this sponsorship video, which again, this is sponsored by Arrowzoom. Link in the description below to Arrowzoom store, where you can get yourself some acoustic foam. Also use my code icjosh to get yourself 10% off your entire order. But I just want to point something out. This is one of their huge, I think it's the 48, I think 48 by 48 pieces of acoustic foam. This is huge. It does come with double-sided tape, and you can also order double-sided tape as well, pretty cheap. The double-sided tape is so strong that I forgot. I literally forgot that I had it on the back because I was using tacks, because we can use tacks here. Literally ripped a piece off. It's still sort of on the wall, but it's funny because it'll come off. I've done this before in my old place that I live, but I just forgot that it was there, and it will come off with like warm water, stuff like that. So it's not an issue. It's not a big deal. It's pretty safe. And again, like I say, if you live in somewhere that you can't put like holes in the walls and stuff like that, it's a great alternative. You just stick it on the wall, and then you're good. It won't move, it won't budge. You can also put one in the middle. I just didn't put one in the middle because I didn't really have to. They kind of just stuck straight to the wall just fine. But yeah, in this video, I will be doing the whole background for streams and videos and stuff like that. So all my regulars on the channel and stuff like that, if you're watching this, just know that it is getting upgraded. Also, we got all our champions down here with the belts and stuff like that. So again, appreciate you guys 100%, because again, without you guys, this sponsorships wouldn't really be happening whatsoever at all. And I know you've seen a couple sponsorships so far, but yeah, I've worked with Arrowzoom 3 times before, so this is absolutely awesome. And again, I thank you guys so much at the pretty much company of Arrowzoom. You guys are absolutely amazing. Thank you guys so much. So I'm gonna get back into this one because I am out of my element here of doing stand-up sort of videos. I'm gonna get back to this wall and taking everything off. Well, excuse me, just taking all the blue off, because this whole wall will be black, and then all the blue will be going along this side on this wall with the Kobe and stuff like that. So I'll see you in a second, and it'll probably be maybe me sitting down or something like that. I don't know. That's a lot of tax. That's a lot of tax. Okay, scratch that. I don't even need to really use warm water or anything. I can literally just like run my finger like over it, like with the nail just a bit, and it literally comes off. So that's a dub. Yeah, I'm gonna have to cut edit on this. All right, so it's already getting a little toasty for this update. In this room, it's extremely hot. I have a fan on high, and I'm still sweating. I mean, I guess because I am in all black too, so that. But update. This is where I've got, because it's been hot. Extremely hot. So I'm gonna try to go ahead and get this one completely black all out now. Hopefully I have enough. The more I'm looking at this, the more I'm getting a little scared that I might not have enough. I did order 48 of the 12 by 12, so I don't know if I'll have enough or not. I don't know. We're gonna find out. Hopefully I do. I do have a couple still downstairs that I can grab as well too, because I had a couple downstairs behind the actual TV. That way I can sort of like damper some of that sound that's hitting that back wall and just come back out with surround sound, stuff like that, sound bar and everything. So hopefully I don't have to go downstairs to get a couple of them and to finish this wall. Hopefully I use my big brain to fill this all out, hopefully. Okay, so I'm back, and the whole sort of room is completely done on this side. currently right now, and I'm very excited with how everything came out. Like I said, I am using 3 different acoustic foam sort of packages on this one. Like, I'm actually using 2 of the 48 by 48, which is black, and also the light blue that you see over here, using a couple of those, and also a pack of light blue and black 12 by 12s as well. And I had an old shipment of dark blue that you can see sort of right there. I kind of kept that in frame so because I wanted to show you a couple of things. And one of my big feedbacks that I would probably have for anybody that's looking for a color sort of aesthetic in the back. Okay, so there are 2 different ones, the light blue and then the dark blue. The dark blue I've had for about 4 years now. The light blue I've had about 3 years now. And then the black, with the new black that I've had the black for about 4 years because it came in a pack. The black, I would literally just go black and probably gray if I was going to do this over again, just because they tend to fade a lot. And I put this one right here purposely so you can see this one. That is ones that I've had not that long ago, and this is one of the ones that was older, and you can sort of tell that the color right there is sort of fading. Even with the dark, it's sort of fading as well. If you're looking for like any kind of sort of aesthetic whatsoever at all, like if you want to go with matching your setup or something like that, I would personally go neutral colors. I would go black and dark gray or gray or something like that. That way you could have that neutral color, and then pretty much everything that you accent from, if you're a gamer and you're trying to get your, you know, man cave, or if you're a musician and you're trying to hang up, you know, equipment and all that stuff, whatever color that you have, it would pop off that. And that's probably the next, if I get sponsored again, that's probably what I'm going to do next, is probably just get a whole lot of gray and black, and then just deck out the whole room in gray and black. That way everything else sort of just pops. And that's one of the reasons why I wanted this all black, is because I do have that projector down here that's literally projecting the whole like star sort of thing that I can change the colors and stuff, and it pops right off that, instead of the blue over here that you can sort of like kind of see is there, but it's barely sort of there. So I just a tip to help you out, if you are shopping for acoustic foam and stuff, I would go for neutral colors for this one, like, and then maybe use like the color pack for like whoever's not seeing. Like if you're a content creator or something like that, you make videos or streams or something, I would put the accent, like all that blue that's right here, I would put on this wall that no one would see, and then that way I could just fill it up and have it match sort of the aesthetics of my desk and everything right here, like I said before, and just have the neutral colors in the back that everything will pop off, especially if you use RGB lights, because it does pop off a lot when you use the RGB lights. And in my honest opinion, I think it looks better when you have the black, and then you can just play around with it. Like I have it set to red currently right now, but if I went like green, there's green, you know, then there's blue, then there's purple, and I could just keep pretty much going and changing the different hues on what I want. So like I said, it's amazing. And again, I shout out to Arrowzoom for literally sponsoring this video yet again. And I got to go ahead and say again, all of my links are in the description below. And yeah, check them out, man. Check them out. It's been 4 years since I've been sponsored with them, and I haven't had a problem whatsoever at all with any of the acoustic foam, like at all, except for the fading, but that's gonna happen after years and years and years of them just sitting there, dust and all that stuff. Like that's gonna happen. But other than that, if you guys did enjoy the video, hit the like button, subscribe, turn on notifications, and I'm out. Peace.